Welcome to the Advanced Projects by Progressus video overview on the lot serial number features in the inventory enhancements. This video demonstrates the use of lot and serial number entry in billing suggestions and manual sales invoices using getUsage. In the first video about lot serial numbering, we demonstrated how the lot serial numbers flow from expense journals to the project ledger and invoice suggestions. In this video, we'll review invoice and billing suggestions, and including the lot or serial numbers on sales invoices. We'll select a project that was set up to demonstrate lot serial functionality. In this example, the transactions were already created to generate the lot and serial numbers. In the project list, select the project, then select Billing, Invoice Suggestion. The four lines that we see displayed here has a lot number and a serial number. If you do a sales invoice for any of these lines, the lot and serial numbers will flow to the sales invoice. In this example, we'll do a sales invoice for one of the four entries, so we'll deselect the chargeable field on those entries that we don't wish to invoice. In this case, the inventory has already been issued, so it will not relieve inventory a second time. Right now, the quantity on hand for this item is 96. And we can see in the invoice suggestion lines the one line that remains chargeable with a quantity of 1. Next, we'll create a sales invoice from here. The sales invoice is created, so click the Close button. Reviewing the invoice that's generated, you can see the lot and serial numbers for the transaction. Next, select Posting, Post to post the invoice. Once the invoice is posted, you can open it. Now you can see the lot and serial numbers on the posted invoice lines. From the Role Center, let's navigate to the item to verify that the transaction has not relieved inventory a second time. Select Items, and then select the item that was used in the transaction. Note that the item's quantity remains at 96, which is what we started out with. Next, we also have Get Usage functionality. We can get that usage into the sales invoice, and we can do the billing from there. Return to the Role Center and select Projects, and select the project we've been working with. We'll modify one of the non-open entries to make it chargeable so we can invoice it. Note that this is lot number 1 and serial number 1057. We'll use the manual sales invoice get usage functionality, and it will use this line and copy the lot and serial number into that invoice. After posting, it will not relieve inventory for a second time. Let's return to the Role Center and select Invoicing Sales Invoices. Select New to create a new manual sales invoice. Enter the details for the manual sales invoice, including the project number. From the ribbon, select New, Get Project Usage. In the Get Project Usage page, add the project number and click OK. Note that the line was retrieved, and you can view the lot number 1 and serial number 1057 by scrolling to the right. Now we'll post this invoice, and again, it will not relieve inventory a second time. Select Posting, Post. The invoice shows the correct lot and serial numbers. To see the entries created, navigate to the ribbon and select Actions, Find Entries. Note that Item Ledger Entry doesn't appear on the list, which indicates that it has not yet updated inventory again from posting the invoice. Navigate back to the Role Center, Items, and select the item that was used in the transaction. Note that the quantity has not changed. It's still 96, which means the Get Usage Sales Invoice transaction did not update inventory a second time. Thanks for your time in reviewing how the Advanced Projects by Progressus lot and serial number features work with invoice suggestions and manual sales invoices get usage. For more information on inventory enhancements to Advanced Projects by Progressus, see the Advanced Projects Help Content link included here.